All right, welcome again, people. We're going to listen to the Bunny Shaw interview, what she has to say after the game. That's why we're here. So, guess what, people? In the meantime, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button. Let's get straight into the meat of the matter. Let's get straight into it, people. Let's get straight into it. Let's hear what Bunny Shaw has to say about the game that we just witnessed. So, hit the like button, people. As you know, we really appreciate it if you guys do so. Let's get straight into the interview. Let us get straight into the interview. I'm just making some adjustment here, people. Good. Put myself in the top corner. All right, let's go. We're ready now. Let's go. Let's go. Bang on.
And I think we just lapsed a little bit tonight, but we've been solid all round. So I think we just have to look at our team performance at the end of the day and not just point fingers. Come together as a group, look at what we did wrong and perfect.
I don't really understand why she said point fingers. I don't think there'll be anyone pointing fingers. I think at this present moment we're all happy about the result. We're all happy about the performance. We're feeling good. We're feeling really good. Let's continue.
So that we can move forward and keep winning.
You still made history in this World Cup. What does that mean for Jamaica and for the Caribbean nations and for women's football?
Yeah, it means a lot, It shows that, if you believe and you work hard, anything is possible. And I think we come out here tonight, we held our own, and, at the end of the day, we knew it was going to be hard, but, we just did what we could, and at the end of the day, like I said, that's just football. You win some, you lose some, and, we just have to...
Yeah, that's true, and I think that's something that most of the fans have to get together. You win some, you lose some. I do think a lot of the fans will be expecting us to be dominant and right through the game. But that's football. You win some, you lose some, and you move on. But we are understanding at this present moment based on ourselves. So let's continue.
Our performance and just, lift our heads up.
What's your overall experience been in this World Cup and what will you take going forward?
Yeah, I think this World Cup has been amazing. As you can see, the gap is closing with the smaller islands and teams compared to the bigger countries. So I think this just goes to show that women football is growing, and we gotta keep moving forward and keep pushing it, and hopefully we can get it as far as possible.
Congratulations on getting this far. Well done.
Thank you. And I think we just lapsed a little bit tonight, but we've been solid
all right. So that is it. That is it, people. That is it. And she said something that I need to highlight and reiterate again. The gap is closing. The gap is closing, and we have to keep on pushing and closing that gap. We have to keep on pushing and really, really minimizing that gap. We are so close. We are actually so close right now to really closing that gap. Anyways, people, that was Bunny Shaw interview. Tell us what you think. Tell us what you think about what she said. Big up. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. I'll see you guys again. Until next time. MG Sports TV, people. We're out. Boom. Outro.